Good evening, everyone. It's Jamie here in Arizona. Hi. Thought I'd start a shot up here at the top of the hill. Give you a look at the wallabies. Gorgeous, aren't they? We're right at the foothills of them. Love this place. But anyway, like I said, we're right at the top of the hill. You can see the creek. If I can get it in focus. And it goes through there. And it begins in that little valley over there. So I thought we'd walk down and see some of the stuff that we've done, revisit some of the stuff that's been done, and just overall have a talk. Hope everybody had a good weekend. As we go down, we're careful to look out for the rattlers. Haven't seen that many this year. I think we were only up to about 4, half and half on Mojaves and Westerns. So overall, better than before. What you see down in here, where we've done the rock dams in the top, coming through here and going down in an effort to spread the water, soak it. And it goes down through here and eventually ends up over there. So let's go this direction. I have a question for you guys. Someone commented that they're getting commercials when they watch my videos, and I'm not monetized, so there shouldn't be commercials on my videos. I don't think. It's the whole reason of not monetizing. This is some of the stuff I did in the past. See if I can get you a better view of it. Up at the top, and it flows down and goes that direction. Hopefully this year we get to see it work, and it should be this year. A lot of old timers say that the rains come every 3 years. So if that's the case, our first year we saw good rains. Second year, none. Third year, none. This is our 4th summer, so this should be the summer that we see stuff. And we've had some really, really unusual weather. And unusual in the sense that it's been cold. Well, cool. I'm not going to say cold. Like today was below 100. And last Thursday it was barely 90, which is crazy, you know? But I went back and I revisited some of my older posts and videos. And our first year, it was like this. It wasn't extremely hot. It was comfortable. Now, we got the dam built up. Really good heights on it. And as you can see going up, there's more and more. But hopefully it works. But back to it. So, I think it just runs in cycles. Like the old timers say, it's like every 3 years, which I'm kind of hoping is the case. But in a way, I hope it's not, because that means if it's in cycles, next year should be that brutally hot year. And that's where we had the second summer, we had like 40 days over 110. And then we had like 20 days over 115. Now, I'll get on the other side so it's better. You can see a better view. Okay, so I'm just on the other side. As you can see, we built the path up. Gives it really good definition. And looks good. and it should keep the water where I want it to go. From up there coming down. Now this was all rocked out. Now I did a before video, but I think I self-medicated a little too hard and the videos really didn't turn out that well. But I'll post them at the end for those who just want to see. But that turned out fantastic. Really adds definition and beauty. So, and another thing, I am far from an expert on this. I am not even a good novice, I think. Still learning. And when it comes to these trees, I've been calling them hybrid poplar because that's what they were told they were to me when I bought them. But a few of the viewers have pointed out these are China berries. Um, so I did a lot of research, not a lot, looked up China berries, and yeah, they're China berries. So in the future, I'll call them China berries. In the past, they were called hybrid poplars. So correct myself. Now another area that's been done is this one. And as you can see, we got it nice and rocked out all the way up to about right in there. And we'll continue that on. Now let's talk about some fruit. Finally getting prickly pear fruit. And I'm looking forward to trying one of mine. Over here, you can see we're starting to get little pups come off the gullies. And that's really cool. Let's come over here and see if we can see some of these things. We're starting to get pups off the aloes also. And as you can see, this little area has kind of self-mulched itself from the seeds that I spread. And everything is looking good. Now, I don't really water this too hard. I water the trees, and by watering the trees, it seems to water all the other little support species that are around it. So that may work out pretty good. So let's go look at the main garden. So now we're in the main garden, and pomegranates are doing good. Butterfly bush not handling the heat as well. Now I did take off that limb that fell, and I haven't done anything with the tall limb yet. Trying to bide my time and let it get to the time of the year to do it. Now for the past week, we've been enjoying apricots, and it's been nice. They're tasty. More pomegranates coming. Show you this real quick. We're starting to get there it is. Some more eggplants on the 4 new ones. More pomegranates. But in here, you know, not much has changed. We haven't lost nothing. We did get our albicea to come back. Pretty happy about that. We'll see what it does. And everything is looking well. We've gotten a couple of okra. Nothing to really write home about. This guy's looking good. This area, corner, looking good. So, one other thing, we've had a couple of figs, and we still have plenty more figs on the bush waiting to ripen. Now, these turn blonde when they're ready, and they're red inside. Really sweet. Really like them. But other than that, hope everybody's doing well, has a good week. Ryder says hello. Wants you to throw the ball to him. I'll add a video of a couple of things, like us taking the goats for a walk. I took them last week for a walk, and probably take them out this week. Kind of got to take it easy. Finally went and got those shots in my back, and the doctor said take it easy for a while. I feel better. My legs are not numb anymore. So hopefully I'm able to start walking a lot more. But I want to thank you guys for spending a little time with me, and I'll see you soon.